What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again with another video. Give you guys a quick update on the 110 crawler. So as of right now, the only thing I have done so far is I have cut out the body and I masked everything. If I can get it off here. And I was gonna mask more, but I kind of decided to go a different direction. Clean body, really clean body. Thing I've done to the truck, I hadn't driven it at all. I just changed the battery box, but I'm probably gonna go back to the smaller batteries. I'm not sure, just got a few more parts for this thing, guys, and I'm gonna share them with you. So the body I had all of the gray accessory parts. I went and got the black ones because I think that's gonna go a little bit better with my paint. I also grabbed a set of tires. I went from the 155s to the 19s. And that is another reason why I'm going in a different direction, because these tires, are a little bit larger than the fenders. These are by Hobby Park, and I'll put a link in the description. These are what people call the Hyrax. They're knockoff Hyrax from what I understand. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing open, guys. If you guys want some cool knives, make sure you check out the link in the description. Like I say, guys, these are my first 110 crawlers, so these don't have anything on the side. These feel really soft. They're really soft. I don't know how they're gonna perform, but we're gonna definitely test them out. So of course we had to go with some different wheels because those are 155s on the truck and those are 19s that I just bought. This is what I chose to get. New deep dish wheels by Injora. And guys, if you order directly from Injora.com, which I got these from Amazon, which I'll leave a link there as well for the wheels and the tires. But these particular ones, you can get if you order directly from them. They got tons of things for you guys that have the 124s, the 110s. They got tons of things you can get. And you can use my code, which is GNCRC05, and get 5% off of your whole order. That's GNCRC05 to get 5% off your order if you order directly from Injora.com. I paid like 30 bucks for these, but they're a little bit lower, I think, if you get them directly from the website. Plus you'll save that 5% off. Really nice looking wheel. And you can tell, guys, from the offset, that's gonna give me a little poke. And that is what I really wanted. That's what she said. But these guys have the aluminum rings, and they're not like a really heavy wheel. They only put 2 screws in them, which I'm really happy with. I'm gonna be getting some scale hardware, and I'll be getting that from Mass Designs. I'll put this link below as well to finish these wheels off, to finish the look off. As of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get them mounted up just to show you guys what they look like. Just like that, I got them together and they went together really easy. Really easy. I can't wait to test these things out. Hopefully this week I'll be done with this thing. I do notice right away that these are gonna have to be vented because it's not any way for them to let any air escape. One thing I like about Injora, they do send you the longer screws, which were the 2 that were in each one of these. And when you put them together, you put those 2, well, this is the way I do them. I put the 2 longer screws on the outside, get those started, get them together, put the other 4 in, and I put the 2 of the regular ones in, and I do like tighten this one a little bit, get to that one, tighten it down pretty good, here, vice versa. But these feel really well. I don't know what they're supposed to feel like because, again, I hadn't had a 10 scale, but they feel like some of the ones that I use on my 124. These are a whole lot easier to put together on 124 wheels, I have to say. But make sure, if you do want a set of these Injora or any Injora parts, make sure you go ahead and use that code GNCRC05, and that's gonna get you 5% off that total order. And like I said, I will put the link to these, the tires and the wheels, that are on Amazon as well in the description. So guys, just wanted to come to you and show you what my wheels were, what I was gonna go with on this particular build. Stay tuned because we got more to come. We're gonna definitely get this thing all set up. We're gonna get it painted. I got a new body coming in. Can't wait to show you guys what that body is. It's gonna fit perfect with these wheels, the color combination that I'm going with. I actually got another body in my 24 that is actually painted the color that this is gonna, well, same kind of wheels, same color paint. And I'm gonna switch this other one up just a little bit. So just make sure you stay tuned to see what I have up my sleeve. But as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to also ask you guys, if you hadn't hit the like button by now, go ahead and hit the like button. If you hadn't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that for me as well. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.